Welcome to another episode of Motorelation, where as promised we are expanding on our last video about additive manufacturing and getting more in depth and also discussing AI's connect with AM, or 3D printing in the manufacturing environment. To see more from Motorelation, visit us on YouTube or our website www.motorelation.com. So, now, let's buckle up and let's get started. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, the automotive industry is on the brink of a revolutionary transformation, primarily driven by the convergence of additive manufacturing, AM, 3D printing technologies, and the development of artificial intelligence, AI. These innovations are not only reshaping traditional manufacturing processes, but also redefining the future of automotive production. Empowering automotive manufacturing with additive manufacturing, commonly known as 3D printing, has emerged as a game-changer in the automotive sector. This cutting-edge technology allows manufacturers to create complex geometries and intricate designs with unprecedented precision and speed. By layering materials to build components layer by layer, AM enables the production of lightweight yet durable parts, optimizing the overall performance of vehicles. With the automotive industry increasingly focused on enhancing fuel efficiency, safety, and sustainability, additive manufacturing provides a sustainable solution by reducing material waste and energy consumption. This eco-friendly approach aligns with the global push towards greener practices and underscores the positive impact of AM on environmental sustainability. The role of artificial intelligence in automotive manufacturing. The integration of artificial intelligence in automotive manufacturing processes has ushered in a new era of efficiency and optimization. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to streamline production workflows, predict maintenance needs, and enhance supply chain management. By harnessing machine learning and predictive analytics, manufacturers can optimize operations, minimize downtime, and ensure consistent quality across all stages of production. One of the key applications of AI in automotive manufacturing is predictive maintenance. By leveraging AI-powered systems, manufacturers can proactively identify potential equipment failures before they occur, reducing unplanned downtime and maintenance costs significantly. This predictive approach not only improves operational efficiency but also extends the lifespan of machinery and equipment, resulting in long-term cost savings. Synergizing additive manufacturing and AI. The future of automotive production. The convergence of additive manufacturing and artificial intelligence represents a paradigm shift in automotive manufacturing, unlocking unprecedented opportunities for innovation and customization. By combining the design flexibility of AM with the predictive capabilities of AI, manufacturers can create tailor-made components that are not only lightweight and durable but also optimized for performance and functionality. Moreover, the combination of AM and AI enables manufacturers to implement on-demand production models, reducing inventory costs and lead times significantly. By leveraging real-time data analytics and intelligent automation, automotive companies can respond swiftly to changing market demands and customize products according to individual preferences, thereby enhancing customer satisfaction and brand loyalty. Embracing a new era of automotive excellence. As the automotive industry embarks on this transformative journey driven by additive manufacturing and AI, professionals in the sector are poised to witness a renaissance in manufacturing capabilities and product innovation. The synergy between AM and AI is revolutionizing traditional production methods, paving the way for smarter, more efficient, and sustainable manufacturing practices across the automotive value chain. By embracing these cutting-edge technologies and leveraging their combined potential, automotive manufacturers can stay at the forefront of innovation, differentiate themselves in a competitive market, and deliver next-generation vehicles that meet the evolving needs and expectations of consumers. Additive manufacturing impact. In conclusion, the fusion of additive manufacturing and AI marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of automotive manufacturing, offering a glimpse into a future where customization, efficiency, and sustainability converge to drive the industry forward. As professionals in the automotive sector embrace these technological advancements, they are not only shaping the future of mobility but also setting new benchmarks for excellence in manufacturing. Let us embark on this exciting journey together, where innovation knows no bounds, and the possibilities are as limitless as our imagination. The thrilling prospects of additive manufacturing and AI and revolutionizing automotive manufacturing beckon us to embrace a future where efficiency, sustainability, and ingenuity converge to redefine the very essence of mobility. Join us on this exhilarating expedition towards automotive excellence, where every design is a masterpiece waiting to be brought to life. Thank you for watching another episode of Motor Relation. To subscribe, click the below link on the circle logo for Motor Relation. Now to all of you gearheads, be safe out there, buckle up and unleash the journey with Motor Relation. Until next time, stay tuned for the next episode of Motor Relation.